Hello, good afternoon and happy Christmas to all. All section of class 8th. Second time I am sending you this video revision of squares and cubes root. First question is write a Pythagorean triplet if one number is 14. So dear children, what is the Pythagorean triplet? M2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. So here 2m is equal to 14. From this 2m find m is equal to 14 upon 2 is equal to 7, m square 1 is equal to 7 square minus 1, 49 minus 1, 48, m square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. So Pythagorean triplet is not here 7, that is 14 comma 48 comma 50. So 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square 1, 2m is equal to 14, then 48 comma 50. So to find 48 and 50 others two numbers, one number is given. So let we have 2m is equal to 14. From this find first m, after that find m square minus 1 or m square plus 1. Second, the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the number. Let the other number be x and first number is equal to, one number is equal to 16 into x, 16x. According to question, the product of two numbers, first number into second number, 16x into x is equal to 1296. 16x square is equal to 1296, or x square is equal to 1296 upon 16 is equal to 81. Square root on both sides. So square root of x square is equal to x and square root of 81 is 9. Thus numbers are 9 and 69 are 144. Third, find the square root of 10 correct to 4 places of decimals. These 4 places of decimals are not in your syllabus, but if you do this sum, then you are able to find the square root either 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place very easily. So I solve this sum for square root of 10 up to 4 places. So first 10 can be written as in decimal numbers 10.0. Make their pairs, first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair and fifth pairs. Because we have to find the square root up to 4, correct to 4 decimal places. So we make the one more pairs, that is 5 pairs. So find their square root using long division methods. First 10 comes in the squares of 3 3 are 9. 1, bring down first pair, insert point here, then 3 2 are 6, 61 1 are 61, 100 minus 61 39, bring down next pair, that is 100, 31 2 are 62, multiplied by 6, it is 3756, subtract it, it is 144, bring down next pair, that is 0 0. Now double of twice of 316, that is 632, multiplied by 2, it is this numbers. Now subtract it, this again bring down next period 0 0. Now double of 3.162, it is 63242, again twice multiplied by 2, write down 2 in the quotient and product write down, subtract it, and this number comes. After that we can again find the double of this 3.1622 and then multiplied by 7. So therefore square root of 10 is equal to 3.16227. So this 7 occurs at fifth place. 1 2 3 4 5. We check for fifth place, is it 5 or more than 5? Then we add 1 to fourth place. If it is less than 5, then we keep all the 4 places as it is. But here the fifth place is more than 5, so we add 1 to 2, it becomes 3. So square root of 10 is equal to 3.1623. So in this way we can find the square root of 10 correct to 4 places of decimals. Okay, in your exam if you have such type of questions, so you have questions of find the square root either 2 places of decimal or 3 places of decimals, but not more than 3 places of decimals. Is it okay? Next, find the value of cube root of 216 into minus 125. First, cube root of 216 into minus 125, this can be written as cube root of 216 into cube root of minus 125. So what is the cube root of 216? 6. And cube root of minus 125? Minus 5. 6 into minus 5 is equal to minus 30. Next, the smallest number by which 1944 should be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect cube is. This question contain your 1 marks and also your 4 marks. In 1 marks, if you complete this question in 1 marks, you can find the smallest number so that it becomes a perfect cube. We can find the prime factorization of this given numbers. Here are the prime factors of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make the triplet. In cube, we can find the triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet. So, last one, we have left 2 3s. So, this factor do not form a triplet. To make a triplet, we multiply it by 3. So, the smallest number is 3. Smallest number is 3. And if we multiply this by 3, and also find the product of 1944 by 3, your number will be 5832. It will be your perfect cube numbers. So you can do this sum in case of 1 marks or 4 marks. In 1 marks, in a short way, how you can solve it? Only you can find the prime factorization and make that triplet, and for multiplications, how many factor comes to make a triplet, and for division, if this is the find the smallest number, so that the quotient becomes the perfect cube. So we can divide these numbers by, here 2 3s left, 3 3s are 9. We divide this given number by 9. So it becomes a perfect cube numbers. Is it okay? Next, guess the cube root of 32,768. So 32,768, make their triplet starting from rightmost digit 8. First triplet is 768, first group is 768 and second group is 32. First group is 768, second group is 32. Take your first group 768, 8 comes in its ones place. So what is the cube of 8? 5 and 12. So 2 occurs in ones place. So this 2 qualifies for the ones place of the cube root of the given number. So to find the cube root of this given number in ones place, its digit will be 2. Now go for tens place. Second group is 32. Here 27 is less than 32 is less than 64. 27 is cube of 3, it is less than 32, and cube of 64 is cube of 3, it is greater than 32. So that is why 27 is less than 32 is less than 64. The smaller number between 3 and 4 is 3. So this 3 qualifies for the tens place of the cube root of the given numbers. Therefore, cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32 answers. Now remember this formula, it is given in your perfect cube. 1 plus n into n plus 1 into 3. You can find the patterns of a cube. By putting the value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can find out these patterns 1, 7, 19, 37 and 61. You have to remember it, learn it, because sometimes these type of patterns is given in your examinations, and fill up these two numbers. So in this way you have to use this formula and fill up the others numbers by putting the value of n, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. So revise squares, square and square roots, and cubes and cube root for annual exam. Okay. Thank you. Bye.